Is that good?
Okay. I think I'm going to bed after I wash my face. Gussie, what do you think of it? What's your review? Okay, you want to finish this up?